How to fix Instagram Reels glitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels glitch easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone like this and scroll down, go to the apps manager as you can see and go to the apps, and now it will show you on this page all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Instagram and click on it, and now click on force stop right here, and then go down to the storage option and click on it also. Now all what you have to do here on this page is simple. Just click on clear data and then clear cache, and after that all what you have to do is go back, and now all what you have to do is restart your phone and your Instagram must be working as good as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.